Well, Wooly here. I'm here. I'm here. Well, Wooly here. Guys, this absolutely fantastic piece of multi-purpose functional outdoor clothing is a Jerven bag. This is the Jerven Hunter Mini. Okay, let's have a look at it. Check it out. All its glory, guys. All its glory. The camera does not know what to do with me. Guys, this is a Jerven bag. Okay? Right now, you are thinking to yourself, what the hell is a Jerven bag? And you're thinking, Wooly is an absolute idiot. What is he wearing? Okay, so this is the Mini Hunter. All right, guys. This is just one. This is just one of its many configurations. Okay, so this is obviously designed to mimic rocks in high mountains. Okay, these sleeves are removable. If I take these sleeves off, remove this clip, pull this up over my head. Okay, so what is this, guys? What is this? This is a tarp, a survival blanket, a picnic blanket, a camouflage coat. Guys, this is all these things rolled into one. Okay, this is what I use this for, guys. Is I use this as an emergency shelter. This is my emergency kit. This lies in the bottom of my rucksack in a dry bag, guys. Okay, this thing has 40 grams of PrimaLoft, okay, on the inside of it, so it's insulated, it's waterproof, and it also has a thermo-reflective lining, okay, on the waterproof outer, which reflects the heat back to you, which means that it's warm-ish. Okay, it's not a sleeping bag. Okay, it's an emergency, it's a survival shelter. Okay, but you can zip this thing right out. If I can zip this thing right out. This is the bit I'm going to skip with Wooly messing about with zips and stuff. Okay. Yes, I can. Okay, so you can zip this right out. I swear to God, Wooly, will you get it together? Okay. And guys, this is eyelets, so you can string this up as a tarp because it's waterproof. Okay, you can use this as a hammock. All right, you can use this as a bivvy, like I had when I put it on there, guys. So a lot of the Scandinavian militaries are issued this for their special forces and stuff, for guys who need to be up in the mountains sitting still for a very long time. Okay. And they're completely camouflaged. The camouflage on this is like something I have never seen before, guys. It is unreal. In this environment, it's not so good, but in the right environment, like the high mountain or the alpine mountains, where it is designed to be used, it is excellent. Okay, excellent, 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 guys. This is like your poncho liner on steroids. The much loved American poncho liner, guys. That's what it's like with the PrimaLoft insulation and everything. Guys, these are the armholes that you can zip these closed. Okay, so this thing is very well thought out and very well designed, guys, and it is a warm little extra layer. You know, if you're doing something and you want to stay warm, or the evening's coming in or something, and you want something that you know, that you can just throw around you, or throw around you and a significant other, or throw around the kids or something like that, guys. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Now, as a sleeping bag, it is not warm enough for me. I have slept in this with a wool blanket and I was cold, okay? So, and that could have been the way, something to do with the configuration of my wool blanket as well, guys. But in a pinch, yeah, of course, it's going to be better than a bivy bag on its own, guys, okay? So, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It just lives in the bottom of my rucksack as a backup, as an emergency backup. When you buy it, guys, when you get it, you get the sleeves, obviously 2 of them, okay, and you get this really cool stuff sack. All right, now there's a lot of different versions of this. This is the mini. I only got the mini because I'm only 5'7", and it came up secondhand, and I thought that's pretty cool. And guys, you get this very bright orange flash as well, for rescues and stuff, guys. So looking back and in use, I probably should have went for the full size one, okay? Just for getting into it, you know, because you zip it together like the old envelope style sleeping bag. You zip it together and you get into it, and it only comes to about here, you know. So if you had the bigger one, if I had the bigger one, I could get it up over my head. Guys, this is a really cool piece of equipment. It's, you know, it's well designed, it's well thought out, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do when you use it correctly, okay? It does have limitations, all right? What do I use it mostly for? Picnic blanket. Guys, but it's always in my bag. It's always there just in case, you know. Back in the Scouts, they taught us, you know, you put one of those orange plastic bivy bags in the bottom of your bag and you leave it there, okay? And when I was an outdoor instructor, having one of those orange plastic bivy bags in the bottom of my rucksack saved my ass so many times, okay? For using as a stretcher, for using as all these different things, okay? This is like one of those, except, you know, it'll keep you warm. It'll keep you warmer, okay? So, guys, I'm impressed with this. It is called the fjellduken Mini Hunter. Why all the Scandinavian stuff, Wally? Do you know what I mean? Like, why can't you just get equipment from the UK that you can pronounce really easy, you know? My own worst enemy. Guys, it's cool. It's a cool piece of equipment, and it works very, very well, okay? Thanks for watching. Stay frosty.